In this lecture, we are going to talk about strings and string creation. So first of all, what are strings? Strings are sequences of characters and they are treated as an object. So in Java programming language, strings are objects, so they are stored on the heap memory. We can create and manipulate strings with the help of the string class. There are two ways to create string objects. First of all, with string literal. So string name is equals to Kevin. This is how we create a string variable with value Kevin. The second approach is to instantiate a new string with the value Kevin. Both of these approaches are working fine, but we are going to come to the conclusion that using string literals are way better and efficient than instantiating new strings. So let's talk about the so-called string constant pool or the intern pool. Since strings are everywhere in Java, they use up a lot of memory. Many strings repeat in the program, and to solve this issue, it is a good idea to reuse common strings. The string constant pool or the intern pool is a location in the Java virtual machine that collects all these strings. So string constant pool is a memory location within the heap memory. Let's take a look at a concrete example. What's going to happen if we create a new string with the value Kevin? Kevin is the constant value, and of course we have a reference variable, in this case n1. Because the string constant pool doesn't contain Kevin as a string, each time you create a string literal, the Java virtual machine checks the constant value and the string constant pool first. So because Kevin is not present in the string constant pool, that's why Java virtual machine is going to insert Kevin into the string constant pool. Okay, so there's going to be a Kevin in string constant pool. What if we create another string variable with the same value? If the string with the same value already exists in the pool, then Java virtual machine will not create a new object, but will return the reference to the same instance. So what's crucial is that the Java virtual machine never creates duplicate objects in the string pool. Okay, so as you can see, the references are pointing to the same object in the string constant pool. Okay, so this is how we create strings by string literal. What if we instantiate a new string? In this case, it is not that efficient because first of all, the Java virtual machine will going to check whether the value, so Kevin, is present in the constant pool or not. If it is not present, then at compile time Java virtual machine is going to check the constant pool and going to insert the given value if necessary. In this case, because Kevin is already present in the constant pool, that's why there is no need to insert again. So if a string with the same value already exists in the pool, then Java virtual machine will not create a new object there. But because of the new keyword, Java virtual machine is going to create a new string object at runtime in the heap memory. Okay, the string constant pool is in the heap memory as well, but as you can see, this Kevin object is going to be created outside the string constant pool. And the reference variable will be pointing to this object. So n3 is going to be pointing to Kevin object in the heap memory. This Kevin object is not part of the string constant pool. So this is why it is crucial that if we use the new keyword, then Java virtual machine is going to check the string constant pool. If the given value is not present in the constant pool, then Java virtual machine is going to create a new object. And because of the reference, the Java virtual machine is going to create another object outside the string constant pool in the heap memory. Notice that only the values are the same, but the reference variables are pointing to different objects. So the first two Kevin strings are pointing to the constant pool, but the last string we have created with the help of the new keyword is pointing to a different location in the heap memory. Okay, what if we create another string with the same value Kevin? Kevin is not going to be inserted into the constant pool because there is already the string Kevin, but as you can see, another Kevin object will be created in the heap memory. So notice the difference between the literal creation and creation by the new keyword technique. As far as constant pool is concerned, there's just a single Kevin and all of the strings are referencing that given value, while on the other hand, if we use the new keyword, Java Virtual Machine is going to create as many string objects in the heap memory as many times we instantiate a new string. So this is why using string literals are way more efficient than using the new keyword. Okay, let's create a new string with value Peter. Peter is not present in the constants pool, so Java Virtual Machine is going to insert Peter into the constant pool. Okay, and then because we use the new keyword, we have to create another object in the heap outside the scope of the constant pool with value Peter. So as you can see in this case, two strings are created, one string in the constant pool and one string in the heap memory outside the scope of the constant pool. So note that when you are creating string with new keyword, you will create one object or two. It depends on whether the value of the string is already present in the string pool or not. So in the example, when the string's value Kevin was already in the pool, there was only one new object created by the Java Virtual Machine in the heap memory. And as far as Peter is concerned, the Java Virtual Machine had to create Peter in the constant pool and had to create Peter outside the constant pool in the heap memory. It is possible that in the future, in a Java-related interview, you will be asked a tricky question in the string topic. The question looks simple: how many string object is getting created in the statement below? If we create a new string with the help of the new keyword, then what's going to happen? In this case, the answer is that it could be 1 or 2. It depends on whether the constant value of the new string is already in the string constant pool or not. If it is the first string, so the constant pool doesn't contain that string, then the Java Virtual Machine is going to create two string objects, one in the constant pool and one in the heap memory. So it is rather a tricky interview question as far as strings are concerned. This is the main difference between string literals and creating strings with the help of the new keyword. Thanks for watching.